This right here is the OAKYWOOD laptop stand. I've got it in the walnut color. I recently bought this for £46, which is roughly around $60. I have known about OAKYWOOD for a little while now because a lot of people post their products on Instagram, and I thought they looked pretty cool, so I went and checked out their website. And as you can see here, they specialize in a lot of different kinds of wooden technology products. I have been wanting to get a vertical laptop stand for my MacBook Pro to firmly hold it upright when I connect the Mac to my LG 34-inch widescreen monitor. I have been using this for a little while now, and I have to say that it's really nice. It's, as you can see, it's quite a sturdy one. It definitely sticks to the desk. And you know, it's really high quality. It looks nice. It's very clean and minimal. And overall, I think this is a really, really good high quality product for the price that you can grab it at. It has a stainless steel bottom with micro suction tape for convenient docking and undocking. And overall, I find that it makes my workspace look cleaner, clutter-free, and it fits in nicely with my desk setup. Speaking of which, if you want to see my desk setup for this year, I released a video last week, which you can click the link in the description below or the iCard right here. And I go over my entire setup that I have here, all of the technology that I use, the products that I use on my desk, because I really like the clean minimalistic style, and I try and focus it mostly on having a workspace that is productive. I talk about how I do that in that video. So if you want to check that out after this one, links in the description or click the iCard. The dock is compatible with all laptops that are 2 centimeters fixed, and it's compatible with all MacBooks. For me, this fits in so nicely into the dock. I don't think you'll ever find yourself hitting the sides and scratching your laptop or anything like that. It is a very wide gap for you to fit in your laptop. You're not going to be struggling to get it in there. You can drop it in with just one hand. It is that simple. One of the things that I really like about this dock is that it's made of superior materials compared to some other docks that I did find online when I was doing research. It is made of solid steel and solid wood. This one that I have is made of walnut. On the inside, there is an adjustable felt which helps to hold the laptop firmly and give it ventilation to prevent overheating. I also found that inside of the box there are 2 other strips of Velcro, which you can obviously use to replace these ones should they ever get worn down or dirty or anything like that, which is pretty good because it means you don't have to go out and spend another $60 or £40 to buy a whole new piece of wood and have multiple docks. You can just buy the strips to replace it, which is good. And I guess considering it's trees, it's good for the environment. One of the things that instantly blew me away with this product was the grips at the bottom of the dock. They are incredible and make it really hard to move or knock the dock in any way. If you watch this clip of me pulling with, I would say with quite a bit of force, you can see the dock is not budging at all. You can actually see the monitor and desk shake in the background. That's how much I was pulling on this thing. So you can kind of see that it is a high quality product and isn't something that's going to be knocked around your desk or your laptop's going to fall over and break or anything like that. It's really, really durable and definitely made to a standard that I would expect of something that's maybe in the $100 plus bracket, not something that's around $60. The dock comes in 2 different styles, either solid walnut or oak wood. Overall, for £46 or $60, I would say that this is a great product that's made of solid wood. I believe that this is going to be a product that's going to last for many years to come. It looks sleek, it looks nice, it just blends into the desk, it doesn't stand out. It's perfect in my opinion for what it is I was looking for. OAKYWOOD have a lot of different kinds of desk stands on their website, but this is the one that I like the most because I think it's just simple, it's a nice aesthetic, and it's just something that looks kind of cool. If you want to go ahead and watch the other video that I released last week where I talk about my desk setup and all of the technology that I've got here and all of the things that I use, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below or the iCard in the top right hand corner of this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as it really helps me grow. Thank you all for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day.